Okay, we'll finish up these last two problems in section 6.1. So, let's see what we have here. Goodness gracious me. We have 28, 14, and 7. Well, the only thing that we get from 7 is 1 times 7. So does 7 go into 14? Yes. Does 7 go into 28? Yes. So 7 is part of our GCF. Now let's look. We have x to the fourth, x cubed, and x squared. And remember, the smallest exponent is the one we use in our GCF, so that's x squared. Then we have y cubed, y squared, and y. So the plane y is our smallest exponent. And again, our leading term is negative, so let's put a negative in front of our GCF. Okay, so if we take out a negative 7x squared y, that leaves us with, let's see, if we do our division again, y cubed. Sorry, that 4 was sloppy. Over 7x squared y minus 14x cubed y squared over negative 7x squared y plus 7x squared y over negative 7x squared y. So we leave the negative 7x squared y out front, and then we start doing division. So negative 7 goes into negative 28 4 times, and the negatives cancel each other out. So we are left with a 4. Then for our x's, we have x to the 4 minus 2, which is x squared. And our y's, we have y to the 3 minus 1, which is y squared. Okay. Then the next term, this negative in front of the 7 cancels out the subtraction, so those become positive. And 7 goes into 14 twice. So we have plus 2. X to the third minus 2 gives us an x. And x squared minus, x to the 2 minus 1 gives us a y. Okay, and the last one, we have 7, the 7's cancel each other out, but we still have this negative down here in the denominator, so that means that our sign changes to a subtraction between that term and the previous term. We have an x squared over an x squared, so that's 1. And we have a y over a y, which is also 1. So our last term is 1 because we have this one thing divided by itself. And that's how that one factors. Okay, let's look at number 4. This one's a little bit different. So if we look at the 2b, it's multiplied by a b plus a. And then we're subtracting a b plus a. So if you think about this, remember, we can always write a 1 in front of anything. So we're going to put a 1 in front of that b plus a. Now, what do each of those two terms have in common? they have a b plus a in parentheses in common. So our greatest common factor is the b plus a. So if we take out the b plus a, oops, sorry, then we have 2b times b plus a in parentheses divided by our greatest common factor, which is that b plus a, then minus 1 times b plus a over that b plus a. So anything in parentheses we treat as one quantity together. So when we go to do the divisions inside here, we have a b plus a in the top and a b plus a in the bottom, so they cancel each other out. And in the second term, we have the same thing. They cancel the b plus a's cancel each other out. That leaves us with a b plus a times a 2b minus 1. And that's our final answer. So that's the end of 6.1. We'll pick up with 6.2 in the next video.